Enough of recreating celebrities' can makeup look or Met Gala makeup look. Today I am going to recreate or basically replicate Alia Bhatt's sunburn makeup look. She is using high-end luxury brands like Gucci, Tower 28 and Glossier Road, but we are going to use our very much available drugstore products under $4.99, actually $5.99 because of only one product, and we are going to create this look right over here. You can actually wear this makeup look जब भी आप बाहर जा रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ या फैमिली के साथ, मॉर्निंग में भी जा रहे हो तो ये मेकअप लुक एक्चुअली बहुत प्रिटी लगने वाला है. This is like that pinkish glowy sunburnt look actually, and it looks pretty nice to me. Let me know in the comments आपको कैसा लग रहा है. Hi, my name is Manisha and I create content on makeup and beauty. I also help you find affordable products and amazing makeup hacks. So if affordable makeup, beauty, hacks, tips, all these words scream your name, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now without wasting a single second, let's dive into the video.
I'm using Summer Fridays skin tint. I love it. It's a sheer skin tint. I'm going to mix it with this Kiko primer. I love it.
The skin tint from Summer Friday is very sheer, so we are also going to mix only a tad bit of the foundation ताकि थोड़ा बहुत like sheer coverage मिले. We are not going with the very heavy handed, and a little bit of this primer. I've also mixed in this radiance filter for that glowy look. Now we'll mix all these three products and it already looks so good and so glowy.
So this is my new favorite concealer. Kosas.
We are off to a good start. Let's move on to the next step, which is concealer. She actually dots her entire face like this, small dots, also under her eyes, and जहाँ पे भी spots है, she is actually covering that. And now we are going to blend it with a beauty blender. So basically her idea of this makeup look is that जो skin है वो skin जैसा दिखे without feeling too heavy on makeup, because naturally actors हैं तो they have to wear a lot of makeup on the sets and all, and even if I were in her place I would definitely try to skip makeup whenever I can.
I make like a C curve. Okay, and the trick here is to not stop it on the cheek, go over my nose. Okay, go back C if you want. So it's actually it's like a W.
While looking at her video, she actually has blush blindness, I would say. Since we are going to replicate, we have to do it. Alia is using Glossier cheek color. We are going to use Insights cheek color. Basically, this is a blush and it's in the shade Soft Salmon because Alia bhi peach color ka blush use kari, and she definitely has got that blush blindness, which I'm very scared because I don't have blush blindness. Like, I love blushes, but trust the process. So what she does is she is making a C. God. And she takes it to her nose and again does this. And now we shall blend it with a beauty blender and hoping कि अच्छा लगे. Oh, now I get the idea actually. ये जो blush है ना, it actually feels like you have got that sunburned kind of look. And this also makes your cheeks very rounder and fuller. So अगर आपका बहुत ही like chiseled face है, then you can definitely try this blush application. This is somewhere like giving you that fuller cheeks and also sunburnt look.
Contour. So to achieve that little kind of tan feel, I will go harder on my contour. What I'm using is Milk.
For contour, she is using Milk contour stick, and we are using this BB contour from La Mer. Don't worry, I'll tag all the products for your reference. And what she does is she goes very low, like some cheeks get niche ja rahe, I don't know why. Okay, she does this and she goes very hard on her contour. इतना contour तो एक बार में नहीं लगाते हैं, but ठीक है. And then she starts blending जो नीचे का contour है, actually dabs it towards the neck and she goes it like this. Just make sure there are no harsh lines, कि वो फिर अच्छा नहीं दिखता है. Not bad, so far so good.
I will powder. So going for this kind of sunburned skin vibe, I'm not going to powder too much. I'm just going to powder my under eye because I don't want that to lift off. Just to set that in nicely, I'm using Hourglass. It's my most favorite powder because it's like sheer, super translucent.
Using Hourglass का translucent powder, and we are going to use half and half का translucent powder. By the way, this one is so underrated and this is not even available right now. I'm not sure if the brand has discontinued it or what, but this is a really finely milled, translucent powder, and just dab it under the eyes ताकि जो कंसीलर वगैरह लगाए हैं जहाँ पे भी वो हिले ना.
Eyes. I was gifted this palette last week by a friend of mine. It's the Too Faced palette, Pinker Times Ahead. I mean, that's so cute.
I'm going to use these two palettes from Mars. This one is a face palette and this one is a 15 shades eyeshadow palette, Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette. I have another eyeshadow but that's sadly discontinued, तो उसका हम लिंक आपको दे नहीं पाएंगे और फिर आप अपना लुक क्रिएट नहीं कर पाओगे. So yeah, enough of blabbering. Now she is using a very peachy color which I have right over here. So I'm also using a peachy color first. Do like a wiping motion over here. Then she takes a pinkier shade and will apply it on the peachy eyeshadow. Again going with the peachy shadow on the lower lashes. Then goes ahead with a lighter pink. So she is dabbing the more dustier pink on her eyes and we are going to do the same. The final step, she's taking a little bit of white shadow just so that ye blended lage, and she's applying all over her eyelids. Oh, okay, I understand now. I'll tell you the difference. What this white eyeshadow actually does is, यहाँ पे देखोगे आपको pink ज़्यादा लगेगा. Like it's pink, it's blended, but this one has got that ombre effect. You know what I mean? So lastly, what she does is she takes this white eyeshadow and थोड़ा सा eyebrow के नीचे लगाती है, so that her, this is the high point, so it would actually get highlighted. And she's using her fingers only, so I'm also doing the same. Nice.
That was eyes. Super chill, very light. Whenever I put mascara on, it just changes my face completely. So I was, in search for the mascara that does that the least. Okay. So I have a couple of favorites, but today I'm going to use two different ones that I've not always used. First, I'm going to curl my lash.
Before applying mascara, she has curled her lashes and she has used two mascaras, but we are only going to use one mascara. I'm using this Plum Ka Lash Drama One for All mascara. And she is not going very close to her lashes as well, but we will be going because I really love that, wispier lashes. मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मतलब मेरे lashes है long और voluminous लगे. So
brows. For this vibe, I'm going super chill with the brows. My go-to is Benefit for brows.
Brow, she is using Benefit ka 2-in-1 brow gel and powder. We are going to use this Mars ka multi-port. It has got this gel as well as powder in the shade black. While I should be using brown, I have got a trick. What I'll do is, ये जो gel है इसका black gel लेंगे, and I'll take this chocolatey brownish shade, इन दोनों को mix करके I'll fill in my brows. So first of all, we are going to brush our eyebrows. Honestly, I don't need to fill in my brows a lot. बस मेरे थोड़े से यहाँ पे मुझे लगते हैं, तो I only fill in here if required, or else I completely skip that.
This is visual. So this is Hourglass, and this is what I'm going to use for blush again. And I'm going to go for the dusty pink and the darker bronzer vibe.
Now again, she goes with powder blush, which actually we should do after using cream or liquid blush. उससे क्या होता है, हमारा जो blush है वो काफी लंबे टाइम तक टिकता है. So she is using that dusty rose and this bronze type color. We are going to mix both the shades actually, and apply it on our cheeks. Alright, so she is using Rare Beauty ka highlighter, and we will be using the inside ka highlighter. and blend it with our fingers because it's a cream highlighter, तो ये उंगलियों से अच्छे से ही blend हो जाते हैं. You won't need any brush or anything else. She used a beauty blender to blend the highlighter as well, but हमने तो already blend कर लिया उसको अपनी उंगलियों से. फिर भी for the process we'll just blend it with the beauty blender. इससे क्या होता है ना, जो भी आप प्रोडक्ट लगाते हो ये बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगता है and it actually melts into your skin without feeling too much into your face, and I think that's what she is trying to do with this makeup.
Last but not the least, I'm gonna go with this Revlon. It's like a creamy lipstick, but it's also matte.
So she is using this creamy matte, liquid lipstick, and I don't have any liquid lipstick in that particular shade. So we are going to use this Ruby Organic जो कि काफ़ी similar है, and this is quite similar to what she was wearing.
I'll end with the Rhode lip balm. This, like a lip balm, is always in my bag.
And then she tops it up with this lip balm. So that was her sunburn makeup look, and this is our sunburn makeup look using drugstore product. This is actually making my face look that has that summer glow, and this is something that I can definitely wear if I'm going on a date or if I have an event in my office, या फिर बस ऐसे ही फ्रेंड्स के साथ घूमने जा रहे हैं in the morning time. This is something that I would definitely be wearing and I pretty much love it. Let me know in the comments आपको कैसा लगा. If you will be wearing this makeup look whenever you are going out और अपने डेट पे जा रहे हो, मुझे ज़रूर से कमेंट में बताना. If I have skipped any step तो वो भी कमेंट में बता देना, because I don't think I have, but just in case if I have, do let me know in the comments so that next time I can keep a very very close and keen eye and attention to the video. But the final look has actually turned out pretty nice. I am actually loving it. I hope you guys have enjoyed and loved this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and drop this emoji in the comment section because I'm reading and hearting all your comments. Before you leave, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And अगर आप इस look को recreate करते हो, then do make sure to tag me on my Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye.